Understand and master these 3 basic pillars of Forex, and you'll never go broke in your life ever again. Let's get into it. Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Sunny Chopper Trading, and if you're new to this channel, this is where I share tips, tricks, and strategies to making more money in the Forex market. So if you're all about that life, hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you know exactly when content drops. Most people really only know one of the pillars, and that's the reason why they are failing at trading and not making enough money. Matter of fact, they're losing all of their money just because they don't understand that there's 3 pillars to Forex trading, not just one. And you watching this video, you might be believing that there's only one pillar, and that one pillar is strategy. And let me tell you guys, a lot of people focus a lot about strategy, on a better strategy this, better strategy that, how to make more money with this strategy. But let me tell you guys, you're not seeing the whole picture. There's 2 other pillars that you need to master before you start to make a lot of money. Because if you only focus on strategy, you're going to be losing a lot of money, and matter of fact, you might be losing all your money. So let's get into this video and go over the next 2 pillars, and I'm gonna go over strategy as well. So let's get into it. So one of the pillars is your psychology, your trading psychology. If you do not have a solid foundation of your trading psychology, you will fail. Because here's the thing, no one is perfect. No one wins every single trade. And if you're not prepared to handle the losses, you're not going to win in Forex. Simple as that. However, most channels on YouTube and a lot of Google resources don't really talk about this aspect of Forex trading, where like, hey, if you do lose a trade, then what do you do? How do you recover from that? How do you make sure that you don't get, out of your psyche and you start making bad decisions? Because that is very common as a new trader. That is even more common than anyone else who has experienced. Because here's the thing, you're not used to having, your emotions tugged at and, losing money in the markets and just seeing your money evaporate. It is a highly emotional game, and if you do not learn how to handle your emotions and your psychological, trading mindset, you will lose a lot of money, and you will lose all your money, matter of fact. Now, I'm not going to be going over how you can fix your trading psychology, but I'm just warning you guys that it is a pillar, and you guys should be looking into that. Pillar number 2, most people know about this, strategy. Now, it is important to have a good strategy, but it isn't the only pillar. Like, most people think that it is the only pillar. Your trading strategy is basically a set of rules that tells you, hey, if this happens, then you do this kind of trade with this stop loss, with this take profit, with this risk to reward ratio. That is a trading strategy, and it's very important that you find something that works for you. Because here's the thing, most people find trading strategies that work for others, but not for them. Here's the thing, you are different from everybody else. Who you are as a person, your lifestyle, your strengths, your weaknesses, you are very unique as a person, as a trader. So every single trading strategy you see out there is not going to apply to you. It might apply it to somebody else, but it doesn't necessarily mean that it will apply to you, okay? Figure out who you are as a trader, figure out what your strengths are and what your lifestyle is like, and then learn a strategy that is based around that, based around your strengths and your lifestyle. So that's very important to have a strategy and stick to one. Strategy is important because you need it to trade the markets, but again, people overemphasize this, and most people aren't even sticking to one strategy. They're trying like 10 different strategies, and that doesn't work either. So just make sure you find one that is working for you, and basically learn that, master it, and have your psychology and the next pillar down, and you'll be making a lot of money. So let's get into the next pillar as well. All right, so the 3rd pillar, and in my opinion the most important pillar, is called risk management. This is where basically you know how much you want to risk in a trade, how much you are going to potentially win, and basically it's a mathematical approach to the markets, okay? It's probability theory at its core. It's about knowing how much you want to set your stop loss at and how much your take profit, and then basically knowing how much your lot size should be. And risk management basically allows you to basically have a string of losses and then have a little bit of wins, and have those wins cover your string of losses and make even more money. Without risk management, a lot of people, what they're doing is that they're setting really bad reward to risk ratio trades, and then they have a string of wins, but that one big loss, it wipes everything out. And that's a big indicator that you have not mastered risk management. And a lot of new traders go through this where they do not know anything about risk management. How do I know this? I personally went through this. I was winning a lot of trades, but those 1-2 losses that I used to have in my account would wipe out everything. My account will go down to 0, completely wiped out. And that is a big indicator that you do not know about risk management. Again, I'm not going to go into how to fix this. There are tools and resources online. Specifically, I have a trading log app on my website that you can use, and is built specifically for risk management. Just go over to sunnychoppertrading.com and you can sign up for the trading log app for free, and also a course is also available in there for free. It's a Forex starter kit. Go out there and check it out. Super duper helpful. A lot of value in there. But risk management, very important. If you do not learn this, it doesn't matter what you do, what strategy you use, or however your psychology is, and how well you're able to pick yourself up from losses. If your risk management isn't on point, you're not going to be a sustainable, profitable trader. So learn risk management. So those are the 3 pillars of Forex trading. You understand all 3, master them, you'll make a lot of money. So I'm gonna quickly recap what they are. Psychology, basically, how you handle yourself after wins and losses, and your emotions. Number 2, strategy, what kind of set of rules you have to enter and exit the market. And number 3, your risk management, how much you want to risk on a trade, how much potential reward you're going to get, and what kind of reward to risk ratios are you going for. So understand and master all 3 of these, and you will make a lot of money. So if you found that content helpful, drop a thumbs up and comment down below. I'm just curious to see what you guys say. What are you guys going to do to master these 3 pillars of Forex trading? So get out there, start learning those 3 pillars and master them. And as always, this is Sunny Chopper Trading. Peace.